Now, this is deep and it's the real fact. Now, everyone thinks online businesses are taking over, but here's the plot twist: over 75% of all sales are still happening offline. Yeah, right now. We are deep into the digital era, e-commerce, social media marketing, online stores, and but most money is still being exchanged in physical locations. Let's talk about numbers. Globally, only about 20% of retail sales happen online. Globally, 20%. That means nearly 80% of consumer spending is still offline. People still trade in physical markets, in-person transactions, physical store, and whatnot. Even in advanced markets like the US, over 80% of retail purchases are still happening in store. Like over 80% of 50 purchases are still happening indoor. What this means is that out of 5 sales, 4 sales are being done physically and just one sale is being done online. Things like grocery, fuel, fashion, daily essentials, impulse buying, all these kind of things dominate offline. So if you think business success is only about running an online store, I think you need to think again. The real winners play omnichannel. It means that they combine both offline distribution and digital leverage. Online builds reach, that is, it makes a lot of people actually get aware of your product. That doesn't make them buy actually, but offline builds trust. People know they can come and meet you anytime. So when you actually combine both together, you are going to scale. So digital or online sales is powerful. Digital or online marketing is powerful, but offline is still the main place for big money. So if you are building a business, please don't just focus on online store or online marketing. You already know where the big money flows now. You can actually like have a physical store where you display goods and still combine it with the online marketing. What I'm trying to say in essence is it is better as you are having an online store that you should have an offline store too. It is always better when you have both. Don't just rely on online marketing alone. If you gained anything here, kindly subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.